In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently add a text box in Canva and adjust it to your design needs. Canva is a fantastic design tool, widely used for creating impressive visuals with ease, whether you're working on a personal project or something for your business. It's user-friendly, versatile, and lots of fun to explore. Let's dive right into it and guide you through this quick process. First, make your way to your Canva project. If you haven't yet started a project, you can easily create one by selecting a template that fits your needs or starting with a blank slate, which offers you a world of creative possibilities. Once you're in your project, you should have a blank page open in front of you. This page is where all the magic happens. Now, to insert a rectangle text box on this blank page, simply press the R key on your keyboard. Yes, it's as simple as that. Canva makes it incredibly easy to add elements with shortcut keys, saving you time and making your workflow much more efficient. After pressing R, a rectangle will automatically appear on your canvas. This rectangle might be larger or differently shaped than what you initially envisioned, and that's perfectly okay. Your next task is to adjust this text box until it becomes a thin line. You can click on the corners or sides of the box and drag them inward or outward to adjust the size to your preference. If you hold the Shift key while dragging, it maintains the proportions, which may come in handy depending on the design you're going for. You are in full control here, so make it work for your specific needs. Remember, the rectangle's transformation into a thin line can add different effects to your design, create borders, or serve as dividers, depending on how you want to use it. Once you're satisfied with the adjustment and everything looks just right, you're done. It might seem like a small alteration, but aligning elements precisely can significantly impact the overall aesthetic and effectiveness of your design. Canva's flexibility allows these minor adjustments to make a big difference in your visual projects. So that's how easy it is to insert and adjust a rectangle text box in Canva. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel more confident navigating Canva and customizing elements to fit your creative vision. Keep exploring and experimenting with all the other tools Canva offers. Each click and drag is another step toward mastering the art of graphic design. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.